Okay, here we go, the mole calculation worksheet. I'm going to walk you through the process of completing your mole calculation worksheet. You will need a periodic table for this, and so if you have this periodic table that I gave to you, you're good to go. If not, I have a link provided in the assignment so that you can use this periodic table because you'll need it to get this atomic mass number. So the atomic mass is the number of grams per mole for any element. It is the weighted average of all the isotopes. And so when you're doing mole calculations, this is the number that you need, the atomic mass down there. So if we go back to our mole calculation worksheet, you have lithium, and then you have to take the atomic weight times the number of moles, and that equals the grams. So for lithium, this number, we're going to go over to our periodic table, and we're going to find it. It is right here, 6.94. Okay, so we're going to go back to our calculation worksheet, and right here we're going to put 6.94. And then we're going to take that 6.94 number times 2 moles. So 6.94, I'm using my calculator. You can use, calculator on your phone or anything like that. And then you get the grams, which is 13.88. There you go. So let's try it again with sulfur. If we go back to sulfur, go to our periodic table, we have sulfur right here, 32.07. So 32.07, I'm putting that in my calculator now. And then we go back to our mole calculations worksheet. So 32.07 times 5, and that gives me the number that I'm going to put here, 160.35. Bam, good to go. All right, so that's how you do the top part. Now the bottom part 2, we're going from grams to moles. So you're going to take the grams divided by your atomic weight, and that's going to equal your moles. So for hydrogen, we're going to go back to our periodic table. Hydrogen's over here, 1.01. So I'm going to write that down on my worksheet, 1.01 for hydrogen. So we take 34 divided by 1.01. 34 and my calculator tells me it is 33.66. My calculator tells me 33.66, 33.6634, so on and so forth. But I'm just going to write those first 4 numbers down. Okay. Next we have beryllium. Beryllium has 23 grams is the number we're using here. But we're going to go look at the atomic weight for beryllium. So we go back to our periodic table, and beryllium is right here, 9.01. So we go back to our document. So I type in here 9.01, and then I use my calculator, 23 divided by 9.01, and that tells me it's 2.55, blah, blah, blah. There you go. So that's how you're going to complete this whole Mole Calc worksheet. Type all your answers in there, right? Or if you want to print it out and write it out, you can take a picture of that and submit that. Okay, either way works. Whatever's best for you. Okay, so fill out this whole worksheet, turn that in, and that is your Mole Calc worksheet assignment. Okay, have a great day.